In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add mail account on any iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first off we need to head over to Settings. Then scroll down until you find Mail. After that, get into Accounts. As you can see, I already have Gmail account added to my accounts here. However, we can also add another account by hitting Add Account. At the next step, we need to choose our mail account provider. I'm gonna select Google here. And after that, we'll be taken to the page that looks like that, where actually we need to sign into our Gmail account. We can easily do so by entering email or phone number here at that text field, and then hit next, and then we'll need to enter our password at the next step. And also it may ask you to confirm your identity by entering your two-step verification code. Maybe it will send an OTP code to your phone to make sure it's really you, and once it is done, your new mail account will be added to that list. After that, we can go to the Mail app, where at Mailboxes we'll find all our mail accounts associated with our iPhone. Here, as you can see, I have just my Gmail here. However, if you got multiple mail accounts, then you will be able to find all of them here, and you will be able to get into each inbox individually by hitting right here at the inbox. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.